Hi, I'm Androvadani Lukimanopo, a sixth semester student here at Universitas Kristen Indonesia. College life can get really busy, but it's also full of small routines, unexpected laughs, and quiet moments that helps keep me going. In this video, I'll walk you through what a regular day looks like for me, from early mornings to winding down at night, and even what my weekends are like. Let's get into it. Most weekdays, I wake up around 4 or 5 a.m. It sounds early, yes, but I actually like having a head start. The world outside is quiet, and I get to enjoy a few peaceful minutes before everything gets moving. The first thing I do is grab a cup of coffee, and it's how I kickstart my day. Then I head to the bathroom to freshen up, brush my teeth, get dressed, and pack my bag. That little routine sets the tone for my whole day. One thing I love about mornings is how calm the road is. When everything's still and silent, it makes me feel more relaxed, even when I know I have full schedule ahead. I take the bus to campus every day, and it's about a 40-minute ride, and I actually enjoy it. It's my time to listen to music, look out the window, and just take a break before the day begins. Sometimes I just sit quietly and think. It's like a pause between home and the hustle. So when I arrive at campus, my day officially starts. Each day brings something different. Sometimes group activities, sometimes lectures, or working on assignments. Even when it's challenging, there's always something new to learn. Some days are more intense than others, but what keeps me going is how much I grow every step of the way. After classes, I make sure to take a short break, whether it's sitting outside for a few minutes, buying snacks, or just walking around. It helps me breathe a little. My friends and I often catch up during lunch break. We usually talk about our assignments, our weekend plans, or funny things that happen in class. We don't always get a lot of time together, but even just 10 or 15 minutes of laughing or chatting make a big difference in my day. Once classes are done, it's time to go home. There's something really satisfying about walking through my front door, dropping my bag, and just taking a deep breath. After all the movement and thinking, that quiet moment feels like a reward. Sometimes I'll take a short nap to reset, and especially if I'm feeling drained. But if I still have some energy, I might use the time to relax and do something fun. College life can be demanding, so I always try to find time for myself in the evening. Whether it's reading, watching videos, or listening to music, I use that time to unwind. It helps me reset for the next day. And when I really need to clear my mind, I turn to my hobbies. One of my favorite ways to relax is gaming, and it's something that helps me feel refreshed after a long day of thinking and focusing. Other times, I just lay in bed and with some music playing and let myself rest. Now, let's talk about weekends. So, weekends are a chance to slow things down. Most of the time, I just stay at home and relax in my room. I spend the day listening to music, watching gameplay videos, or chatting with friends. It's my ways of recovering after a full week, but of course, there are still responsibilities if I have assignments or deadlines coming up. I'll make sure to set aside some time to get things done. It's all about balance, getting things done while also allowing time to rest. Sometimes, when I feel like going out, I'll meet up with friends and we might go to a theme park, visit a nearby park, or just walk around the city. It doesn't have to be anything big. Even a simple hangout helps me feel connected, happy, and be ready for a week ahead. And for me, weekends are not just about catching up on tasks. They're also about recharging after a few good laughs and some quiet time. I feel more ready to take on whatever the next week brings. And so that's what a regular day in my life looks like. College life isn't always easy. It can be tiring, stressful, and overwhelming. But I've learned that it's the little things that help. A good morning, a kind friend, a quiet moment, or even just a short walk can really make a difference. And thanks for spending the day with me. If you're a student too, I hope this helped you feel less alone in your journey. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.